Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bottomline Payments. Review my usage experience. Bottomline Payments Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to manage and analyze their payment processing data. It's primarily targeted towards businesses that use Bottomline's payment solutions, allowing them to gain insights into their payment flows, track transactions, and identify potential areas for optimization. Key features likely include reporting dashboards, transaction history, and potentially integration with other financial systems. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Bottomline Payments' positioning focuses on providing clear, comprehensive data visualization for businesses. Benefits include improved financial transparency, streamlined reporting, and potentially reduced payment processing costs through optimized workflows. The technology likely leverages robust data analytics to present actionable insights. Availability is presumably tied to existing Bottomline Payments clients. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bottomline Payments. Review my usage experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward. After logging in with my existing Bottomline credentials, I was presented with a clean, intuitive dashboard. Navigating the interface was easy. I quickly found the transaction history and was able to filter by date, payment type, and amount. I was particularly impressed by the customizable reporting features. I could easily generate reports tailored to my specific needs, such as analyzing payment success rates for different customer segments. The performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, and the data was always accurate. I had a quick question about a specific report and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download data in various formats for further analysis in my preferred spreadsheet program. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the platform was limited to desktop browsers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bottomline Payments. Review my usage experience. It's a powerful tool that has significantly improved my ability to monitor and analyze our payment processes. That's my overview of Bottomline Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.